Good afternoon. My name is Ratul Bura, a student of class 9 from Sapaguri High School.
Good afternoon, my name is Gambur Bura, a student of class 9 from Sapaguri High School. Would like to present our team's innovative idea on account of Vikshit Bharat Buildation 2025. Our idea is as display chart. Vikshit Bharat Buildation 2025 theme for Samriddhi, ensuring sustainable prosperity and inclusive development. Problem: scarcity of water during summer season for plowing field for farmers due to the lack of rain for long time. Solution: according to our team decisions, we have come to the solutions that we prefer to use plastic sheet to make container of size 20 into 4 length and breadth of 20 feet each and 4 feet high to pressure rain water for 1 bigger of land instead being a pond. We think this will help us and our farmers a lot during the shortage of water. We think this small idea will work for the better productions of crops, even it will save our time, energy and wastage of money. Thanks.